how sales can become super easy, fun in less than 3 days. I am just relaxing outside. Was staring at Burj Khalifa actually. It's such a view here. Can you see? It's like right there. And I had this impulse I wanted to share. This morning we sold another Divinely Fucking Rich and Happy, which is our 3-month money program in which I'm showing you how to become legendary at hitting your big financial goals. This program is $15,000. We've just received another payment in full. And whenever this happens, I'm contemplating asking my boss up there, what is it that we do that I do? How can I attract this much big money with a relatively small audience? And what is it that my boss up there wants to share with you and the world? And the impulse I received, which is so important to share with you, how to make sales super easy and fun in your business, is that when I started out, I thought I would suck at sales. Like, sales were like, ugh, yuck, icky. I'm like, it always felt like, hi, you wanna buy my stuff? Here's my stuff. And then I did probably what most of you would have done, is I started buying sales programs, right? And this started in the beginning out with like a sales script to use when I was talking to people. And that was cool. That was already helpful. I'm like, I kind of can see like the kind of questions I was asking versus, okay, what does the script is showing me? And I learned from that I was always in the friend zone. People like shared everything with me, but as a friend, and wouldn't want to pay me. And I think many of you can relate, especially if you have a 4-line in your human design chart. Doesn't matter if it's on the conscious or unconscious side, you naturally attract so many people coming to you that see you as a friend, but they don't want to buy from you. So this was something I'm like, cool. Like, sales script really showed me the contrast of how I was leading before versus back then. Then I'm like, if everything's really possible, I actually don't enjoy sales calls. What if I just could say, this is my program, this is the offer, this is the price, here's the link. Or back then, these are my bank details, you just can wire and you're in. This is what we've done. This is what we do till today. And it's always working, no matter the price point. I'm also selling my one-on-one coaching, which is $350,000, exactly like that. And what I want to share with you is, I've asked myself, if everything's possible, why was I booking more and more sales coaching back then? And the answer was always coming from a place, because I think I'm not good enough. I'm not good enough at sales. There should be another way. Like, there's the way to sell. And mine isn't working, although it was working. So I always had this feeling of like, this feels icky when I was doing sales trainings or learning more about sales. It didn't really work for me because it was coming from a place of, I'm believing I'm a bad salesperson. I'm not good at sales. So I shifted this belief to, I'm actually the greatest salesperson on this planet. Nobody sells as great as I am. And if this is true, would I be attending those kind of trainings? And the answer was no. If I'm truly believing I am one of the greatest salesperson on this planet, in what kind of skills would I actually be investing? And this is how I moved forward. Until today, I haven't booked a sales training. And I just sell from my heart and from my soul, and with integrity. This is a program, this is a price, this is Divinely Fucking Rich, in which we show you how to hit your big money goals. It's a 3-month program. We have a sales page with more of the details. The price is $15,000, and I believe that the woman in my world you trust your intuition. If you're being called to be in my world, in our programs, you move. We don't convince. I've realized this very early on, that if I convince people, if I talk people into our programs, which are starting at $15,000 and are going up to $250,000, you're simply not ready. And that is okay, right? But for everybody that is in the coaching, in the mentoring world, what I found out to be true for myself, I only want to have clients in my world that actually feel ready, that feel ready to make that move, that say, yes, I'm moving, yes, I'm ready to make this investment, yes, I'm ready to go all in on myself and on my business. And for that, it doesn't need convincing. And I fully can understand that during this approach, like, fears can come up, right? And I think this is where I've chosen a different approach than the traditional sales world. It's not that I'm like, oh, give me your objections, I'm gonna handle your objections, and then you're gonna join. If your fear currently is bigger than believing in yourself and trusting your intuition, you're simply not ready for the rich and happy world. And that is okay. Because these are the basic foundations, skills that you have to bring to our world, right? That is, you gotta trust yourself. You gotta be able to move on your own. No convincing, no like pushing. You have to be able to lead yourself. Because a woman that is easily making millions, multi-millions, she can lead herself. She has to lead herself, right? You have to bring a basic foundation of skills. And this is just what I wanted to share with you today. What if you're the greatest salesperson out there? How would you behave? What would you be doing? And if you are ready to go deeper on that, definitely join us for our 3-day live event, the Cash Explosion of the Year End, happening December 30th, 31st, and January 2nd. I am so pumped. I'm so excited to have you there. You just got to comment explosion. The price goes up daily, but I think right now it's only $66 for the 3 days, so it's a no-brainer to join. And this is really where I'm gonna share everything with you I know about sales, about cash explosions, about making big money. How was it that over the Christmas days, which was not my intention, that was not like, oh, let me focus on sales during the holiday season. How was it that the other day on December 24th, I just naturally sold a $100,000 one-on-one coaching package at Dior when I was there actually for shoe shopping for myself? How was it possible that today another $15,000 just came in, pay in full for Divinely Fucking Rich? Like, people just buy in our world. Why? And there's so much I gotta share, so much I want to share with you, because it's so easy. It's possible for you too. And I will see you inside the Cash Explosion of the Year End. To save your spot, just comment explosion below and we send you the link. John is saying it's 2 a.m. New York time. Some of your clients are asleep. 8 p.m. New York time would be nice to go live again. See, this is also something I've found out for myself. It's most important that I am in my highest energy when I am serving my clients. And that's why the calls are always happening in a time that works the best for me. This is kind of the downside of having a global company, that we're literally having clients that are in Korea, that are in LA, that are in New York. I'm in Dubai currently. There's never the time zone or to find that sweet spot where everybody can join, that feels great for everybody. And that's why we always have a replay. The replay is always instantly available. And again, I think this is so beautiful that you shared this with us, because this is a polarity of life, right? What's going to work for one side, one hand of the people, is not going to work on the other side. Like, where do we focus? How do you choose your focus? And this was is one of the universal laws, the law of polarity I've learned from Bob Proctor when I was in his world. Right, everything has two polar opposites, up and down, right and left, masculine and feminine, and we always can choose. So when it comes to sales, find the approach that is working for you. When it comes to big money, find the approach that's working for you. And when it comes to choosing time slots, right, choose what works for you. Model what you want to model. And for me, I always ask myself, the woman that is fully representing rich and happy, which time zones would she pick? Would she get up in the middle of the night? I wouldn't. And this was the reason why I've decided probably 2 years ago to always work in times that are working the greatest for me, where I can be in the greatest service. I love you all so much. I see you at the year-end cash explosion of the year. Just comment explosion and let's create big money year-end sales for you.